Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert dates in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where you can access all your notes and organizational features. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here, you'll find various navigation options. Click on Notes to view all your existing notes or to create new ones. This is where you'll manage all your content within Evernote. Now, you have two options here. You can either create a brand new note to work with, or you can select an existing note where you want to add a date. Choose whichever option fits your current needs and open that note. Once your note is open, click anywhere in the document where you want to insert the date. This could be at the beginning of a task, within a paragraph, or at any specific location where a date reference would be useful. Position your cursor exactly where you want the date to appear. Now, here's where the magic happens. Type /date into your note. As soon as you do this, you'll see a small menu appear with two options: mention a date and current date. These two options give you flexibility depending on whether you need to reference a future date, a past date, or simply today's date. Let's explore both options so you understand how each one works. First, let's try the Mention a Date option. Click on Mention a Date from the menu that appeared. This will open up a calendar interface where you can select any specific date you need. Browse through the calendar and click on the exact date you want to insert. This is perfect for scheduling future tasks, noting past events, or referencing any specific day that matters to your note. Now, let's explore the second option, which is the Current Date feature. Click anywhere else in your note where you want to insert today's date. Type /date again, and this time click on Current Date from the options that appear. When you select this, the system will automatically insert the word today as a hyperlink. This is incredibly useful for quickly timestamping your notes without having to manually type out the full date. Additionally, if you prefer more control, you can also manually type the date in any format you like. This gives you complete flexibility to format dates exactly how you want them to appear in your notes, whether that's a formal format or a casual reference. And that's it. You now know how to insert dates in Evernote using both automatic and manual methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.